Welcome to another episode of Percussion Discussions. And today I'm going to be talking about these. Now, this is a 457 British Cur with, I don't know how many grains of powder, 35, 40 grains. And it's made with these, the surliest possible paper that you get to make paper cartridges. Okay. Then we have this. This is a home cast 457 British Cur style conical, and it's made with 35 grains of 777, and it's made with this. And no, this isn't tortillas. These are nitrated coffee filter papers that I've done myself. And today we're gonna see how they do at the range. So let's check it out. So right now, let's jump right in. 30 grains, round ball, and my paper that I nitrated myself. And this is 30 grains of Pyrodex with a felt wad and store-bought 454 round balls. Too high. Yep, way high. All right. 454 round ball with regular paper, my store-bought paper. See how we do. Well, since the 452 conical would not fit in the 1860 Army, we're going to try to see if it fits in my third model Dragoon. First time shooting this, I put some slick shot nipples in it and, well, muzzle loaders version of the nipples. And we're going to see if the 452 fits. So let's give it a shot. And if it does fit, then we'll shoot them. We have to change targets. And there's a ceasefire. So we're going to see. We're going to change targets, and we'll go from there. Okay. We're going to see 452 home cast, conical, my own paper, nitrated paper, and felt wad is going to fit in the third model Dragoon. So let's see. So we got the 457 round balls, home cast round balls loaded up because the 452 conicals won't fit and the 457 conicals won't fit because it won't pass through this little loading gate. It has to be altered. This part right here. So round balls only today. But let's see what happens. Well, there you have it. That's another range day in the books. The third model Dragoon did not fire at all. So I only got 12 shots, which was the two sets of 6 4.54 round balls within the 1860 Army that I had. It looks like, from what I can figure out on my own and from what I asked my mentor about, it looks like the mainspring is no good. It's not producing enough force to set off the caps. So I have to look for another mainspring, put it back together, get the new part in, put it in, and then we'll see about another range day. Excuse me. But in the meantime, I will say that I was pleasantly surprised by my own nitrated paper, coffee filter paper, firing as clean as it fired. It was a complete burn. The shots were pretty solid. I had to, I hadn't fired the 1860 Army in quite some time, so I had to kind of get used to it. I've been dealing with the Remingtons, so. But all things aside, with the Dragoon, it was a good day. It was a good day. So I just wanted to end this video by saying, oh wait, let me and here is the target. 12 shots, but as you can see, I only hit 10. The first 2 shots were ridiculously high. I was aiming right around this area, and they ended up going up top. When I made these shots right here, I was aiming down here. When I made this shot, I was aiming my front sight. The cone sight was at the bottom. It wasn't even on the paper. So when I moved the cone sight to here on the paper, I ended up here. So the other ones, to the left, to the right. But I got 2 shots in here, 2 shots in here, and 2 shots in here. So 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 1 off 10. So there you go. I appreciate you watching. I'm the Black Powder Beginner. I'll see you next time.